My name is Nathaniel Green. I'm 18 years old from Oklahoma City. I think it's pretty cool that I get to learn on the job because I get to learn more. Even though I'm going to school still too, I still think it's a better opportunity for me to learn like the little things that I don't learn at school. I graduated high school this year, but I'm still in VOTEC, but I get to do OJT after December. So after December, I get to come here for school and I get to start working. I usually come into work around like 7. I used to try to come in a little earlier so I could get my hours since school is like in between my work day. But I started coming in at 7 and around 10:30, that's when I leave to go to school. So in between the time, I'm either cleaning or I'm working on stuff like this. And when I go to school, my instructor, Mr. Hayes, he usually has me working on something where I'm on the topic I'm supposed to be welding on. After like 2 o'clock, I come back to work and I try to get more hours in. And if nobody's here, then that's when I just like clock out and I go home and come back the next day. In high school, we had a little day where like, it was my sophomore year where we got to go to the VOTEC and try out different classes. And welding was one of my classes, so I wanted to stick to welding because that was one of the cool classes that I got to do. I basically was kind of looking for a place to go weld because I knew right after school I didn't get to just get it like that. I had to go find one. That's when I was talking to my uncle and he told me that he has a shop that I could work at, and I was like, just let me know. Yeah, I like this career path. I think I've learned a lot already just in the few months I've been here.